Proboscis monkey. Proboscis monkey, or in the other name, long-nosed monkey, is an arboreal old world monkey. Arboreal means living on trees. This monkey have large nose, reddish-brown skin color, and have a long tail. Proboscis monkey is endemic to the Southeast Asian island of Borneo, where it is mostly found in mangrove forests and along the island coast. In Malaysia, proboscis monkey is known as monyet Belanda and known as bekantan in Indonesia. Taxonomy and classification. Kingdom, Animalia. Phylum, Chordata. Class, Mammalia. Order, Primates. Suborder, Aplorini. Infraorder, Simiform. Family, Cercopithecidae. Subfamily, Colobinae. Genus, Nasalis. Species, Nasalis lavatus.
Proboscis monkeys are only found on Borneo, which is the third largest island in the world after Greenland and New Guinea, and it is inhabited by three separate independently sovereign nations that are Malaysia, exclusively the East Malaysia, Sabah and Sarawak, Brunei, and Indonesia. Proboscis monkeys are mostly found in the tidal lowlands, particularly in the mangrove forests along rivers, as well as riparian forests or swamp forests. They also can be found in rubber forests, rubber plantations, limestone hill forests, nipa swamps, and rainforests. They typically live in close proximity to water bodies of their home range. Therefore, if you cruise along the river to the said locations, it is highly possible for you to spot proboscis monkey.
The ecology of proboscis monkey. This part will cover the diet, size and appearance, reproduction, and role in ecosystem of proboscis monkey. Proboscis monkeys are mostly folivorous and some are frugivorous. They prefer young leaves over mature leaf and unripe non-fleshy fruits over the ripe one. Being a seasonal eater, proboscis monkeys' monthly diet changes with the availability of the food throughout the year. Male proboscis monkey typically weigh 20 to 24 kilograms and a head body length of 66 to 76 centimeters. Females have a head and body length of 53 to 62 centimeters and a weight of 10 to 12 kilograms. Adult proboscis monkey has a coat of light brown fur that turns red around shoulders and head and grey at the arms, legs, and tail. Only male proboscis monkey develop the large nose or bulbous nose which can exceed 10 centimeters in length. Female proboscis monkey reach sexual maturity at age around 5 years old and male is around 7 years old. Proboscis monkey has a gestation period of 5.5 months. Birth usually occurs at night or early in the morning where the female sits on a tree branch to give birth and afterwards she consumes the placenta. Infants are cared by their mother as well as by other adult females in the same group. This is called as allomothering. As a herbivores, proboscis monkey have an important role on plant population. They act as an agent that dispersing seeds of plants.
Behavior of proboscis monkey. They are diurnal and active from late afternoon until dark. This monkey can swim well and will leap from tree into the water. They can swim for 20 meters under the water. If they are alone, they can cross the river by swimming, and when they are in a group, they are jumping from one bank to another. There are two groups in this monkey society, which are unimen and all men. In the evening, there are several of groups will come together to sleep, but they do not sleep in the same place at night because they are a little bit aggressive between male in unimale groups. The adult male will lead the groups and female do not leave their natal group.
IUCN Red List status proboscis monkey. Did you know what is status population of proboscis monkey? According to IUCN Red List, proboscis monkey are categorized under the endangered species. But what is endangered species? Endangered species (EN) is an animal population that is threatened with extinction. The population of proboscis monkey in 2015 is 9,586 individuals to 7,000 individuals in 2022. This shows that their population is decreasing every year. What causing this animal list under endangered species? Let's see what threats are these animals facing now. First is residential and commercial development. Housing and urban area force the animal move into other places. This causes animal losing their habitat. Next is biological resource use. Hunting, trapping and logging give a massive impact to these animals. This makes their population to decline drastically. The third one, agriculture and aquaculture. The annual and perennial plant can affect this animal population if using non-timber crops. And finally, nature system modification. Some right types are coastal, estuary, river, lake, forest, agriculture, urban and various combination of these having change or modification.
It is quite alarming that these species continue to decline rapidly for the past decade due to the threats caused by human greed. However, things had started changing for a better. The government, with collaborations with NGOs, has started to take actions to conserve and protect these species. The approving of Wildlife Protection Act of 2010 and the gazetting of the Bukau Api-Api Protection Forest Reserve means that these primates are now legally protected by law. Strengthening the law and preserving the important habitat areas of the proboscis monkeys will help them to survive and reproduce without the disturbance of humans. Not only that, with the establishments of Labok Bay Proboscis Monkey Sanctuary in Sandakan, Sabah, that aims to provide a sanctuary for the monkeys as well as to educate people on sustainable ways of coexisting with nature and its inhabitants, shows that both the NGOs and governments are keen on the conservation efforts to protect the species. As these monkeys had lost their homes due to illegal loggings making way for palm oil plantations, any conservation efforts would be in vain without a forest. This is why the sanctuary had taken the initiative to restore the mangrove forest by replanting mangrove over palm oil plantations. In September 2021, more than 35,000 saplings had been replanted with the collaboration of SFD, Sabah Forestry Department, and ISME, International Society for Mangrove Ecosystems. Onto the neighboring country, conservationist Amalia Rezeki had founded Sahabat Bentakan Indonesia, Friends of Proboscis Monkey Voluntary Groups in 2013 in South Kalimantan. They aim to save the monkey from going extinct by educating the public through schools visits, short courses, and volunteering programs. They also have a proboscis monkey rescue center in South Kalimantan that helps to rehabilitate rescued monkey from danger or threats. As they played a crucial role in the ecosystem, it is important for us to help protecting and conserving this large-nosed monkey for the survival of their species and also for our future generations to enjoy and appreciate. You can also do your part by donating to Proboscis Monkeys Fund and also boycotting palm oil items so that the demand will be decreased. Thank you.